Okay, so the question is 16 cubed to the 1/2. You know what 16 cubed is right off your head? Right off the top of your head? What's the matter with you? It's 4,096. Everybody knows that. Well, that's a power of 2, so it's pretty easy to figure out the powers of 2. So watch me be wrong about that. So what do you multiply by itself to get 4,096? You know your multiplications tables up to 100? No, you don't. Okay? And you don't know your squares that high. Okay? Well, what you do is you say, well, 16 cubed to the 1/2, and you've got to be aware of this, is the same as, well, that'd be 16 to the 3/2, right? So we could write 16 cubed to the 1/2 equals 16 to the 3 times 1/2, which is 16 to the 3/2, right? And then how would you write 16 to the 3/2 if that had been the problem? You would probably have written that as 16 to the 1/2 cubed, because I've told you that you probably want to use the reciprocal exponent inside, okay? Now the point is, we didn't have to write all this out, because 16 to the 3rd to the 1/2 means you're multiplying 3 by 1/2, right? 16 to the 1/2 to the 3rd means you've got the exponent's going to be 1/2 times 3, which is the same as 3 times 1/2. So when you got two different exponents here, you know, a power of a power, you can switch the powers or manipulate them in any of a number of ways, okay? But for right now, you should understand that if I change the order of these powers, it's not going to make a difference. Okay? So now it becomes pretty easy. So see what you can do with that.